Hello, this is very unprofessional train spotter today at Rugeley Trent Valley. I don't know why I had to think about that, it's written on the damn sign. On the West Coast main line, where we should be seeing plenty of services from Avanti West Coast, London Northwestern Railway, West Midlands Railway, and with any luck some freight as well. I'll look up in real-time trains right now and see if there is any freight pathed. As I was waiting at Lichfield Trent Valley to get the train that brought me here, which was consisting of 353.70 and 262, I think it was, I can't remember. I did have the Trafford Park Euro Terminal to Soton West Docks berth 109 freight train coming past with 66128 DB Cargo UK. So I may be a bit bored stiff here. So, type in the name of the station into RTT and I'm good to go. Again, Rugeley Trent Valley is another one of them stations which is just a nice station. You get plenty of traffic through here. Again, it's another one of them stations I've been to before. Yeah, just like doing numbers and all that, not really doing videos. Like I do with most of the stations I go to nowadays. Yes, nice all around. Good views going up there, up the line, up that way, down that way. Not so good, but I think the noise on the line gives it away when the Pendolino is approaching, which is good, isn't it? So yeah, anyway, let's just see what shall arrive, pass by and depart here at the gorgeous station of Rugeley Trent Valley. Okay, so the first train to pass by is going to be an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino. I have no idea where he's from. I know he's going to London. I'm expecting something to be coming from behind me as well. Look, here we go, here's another Pendolino as well. This is London to Manchester, it's a ghost. 390,001. 390,001B together. Here's another Pendolino, here's the other one. I'll check where he's going after. $390,043. Right, let's just have a look at where he's going. Also, I'm here today, I'm hoping to catch the Pride livery. After the Tamworth video, when I finished filming, you know, the Tamworth video where I said at the start that I wanted to see the Pride train and film it. After I finished filming, I was sitting on my train to go back home and it ended up going past me, probably just to wind me up. It must have been sitting at a junction or something like that, just waiting for me to finish filming and say, alright, let's go now. That was Manchester to London, the one going that way, and obviously the other one was London to Manchester. Yeah, it looks like there's a few delays taking place today as well, so that should be interesting. Yeah, I'm going to have a bit of fun with that, aren't I? Yes. A lot of fun. Okay, so now coming in is a terminating 350 from Birmingham New Street. I was expecting this to be a Turbo Star, but oh well. I don't know what company to pull it under. I'm going to put it under West Midlands Railway for now, as that's what I've seen on the destination boards. It's 352.47. Okay, so now approaching is another Avanti West Coast Class 3 90 Pendolino. This is from Glasgow Central to London Euston. Really, I could just tell you his origin, because you could probably guess where he's from. Because if you can't, then have a word with yourself. Here we go. $390,044. Another massive crack from the pantograph as well, with all the sparks as well. I had two at Rugeley Trent Valley do that to me, and well, that one's not as good, but it catches you off guard. Okay, so now departing is 11:46. West Midlands Railway service to Birmingham New Street with 352.47. I'm also expecting the Pendolino to be passing by as well. I just looked at it and I believe it's for Liverpool. It's in the full livery as well, which is absolutely beautiful. $391.56. That livery is absolutely stunning. That is absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful. Absolutely. Get away from me. You've had your moment of fame. Now clear off. You've had your moment of fame. Right? Your fame trying to make me look like an idiot jumping around the place in the station. And that Pendolino was from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, and the next train to pass by is going to be another Avanti West Coast Class 3 90 Pendolino. This is from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. Obviously it's to London. It wouldn't be going anywhere else now. You wasps have just had your moment of fame a few minutes ago, alright? Would you just leave me alone before I knock you out? I mean, obviously I'll throw a punch, I'll probably miss it and then they'll probably sting, but it's worth a try. Worth a try. Here we go. $390,013, Blackpool Bell. Again, lovely sparks. They are brilliant for the sparks, aren't they? Okay, we have another Pendolino coming through, like what feels like straight after that Liverpool to London train. This one's from Manchester to London. He looks like he's going at full speed. There's a green light behind me, so sparking. I might just get distracted and won't get no. It's a face mask anyway. Even though I made my best attempt to see the numbers, it is literally impossible. It is impossible to get the numbers with the face mask on. If any of you guys out there can actually see the numbers of these Pendolinos when you're going at full speed with the face mask on, well done. Please just tell me how you do it, other than having a goddamn telescope or binoculars. And what's I have here as well? I want to know something now. If any of you guys know this, well done, but please tell me. You may be able to just see it there, up at the north end of the station, just at the end of the platform I'm currently standing on. Tell me what that line is for. There's a little line verging off to the side there, don't know where it's going. My assumption is it's going to be 66s, like freight, so basically freight trains, but it's very sharp as well. I don't know what it is. I don't know where it goes. I may have to, I don't know, maybe when I'm finished filming I might have a little nosy. You never know. Oh well. Okay, so now coming in is a terminating West Midlands Railway 350 from Birmingham International. As also about to pass by is going to be a DRS 88 from Moss End Down Yard to Daventry International Rail Freight Reception. With the Tesco Express. I'll look behind me just to get this number. This is 35120 is from International. Here's the 88. I'm going to stand back and stand a bit forward on the platform as well, so then I'm less likely to go flying. Well, I'll stand a bit in front of that sign. I'll go on a little. Around about now, yeah, nice two-tone there from the driver as well. Most welcome. Here we go. It's something worth watching for. Can't even hear it. Nice two-tone from the driver there, thank you. 88008, Ariadne. Here's the wind. Jesus! Oh my god! Any more of that coming through, and the rest of this film is from Lichfield, Trent Valley. Any more of that, the next, the rest of the film is from Lichfield. Make no mistake about it. But I will happily take that. I do like the 88s. I mean, yeah, I'd prefer it if it was a 68, but or 37. But you have to make with what you get. Make do with what you get. I can't talk. Okay, so I believe that now approaching. Right, let's see if this tablet wants to go back into focus. I play it on the signals. Go on, focus. No, fair enough. It's a 12. This is a 12:05 London Northwestern Railway service to London Euston from Crewe. Works by 2 350s. What else? Yeah. I just wonder if this train feels like, you know, this tablet feels like kicking itself into action. Is it just me or is it out of focus? Oh, who knows? Yeah, we can see it up on the destination board, and there's no one here who can see who looks like they're blind. So it looks like the front one is in the terminate livery. Terminate? No. A temporary livery. That's the one I'm looking for. 35252. In the temporary livery, it looks like the rear might be in the London. It looks like the rear of the train is in former London Midland livery, which I'm not complaining about. So obviously now, if a Pendolino comes from the north, you're probably going to get the back end of it, because it'll catch me off guard, won't it? Because like I'm not concentrating. And what feels like one of the quickest stops I've ever witnessed, he's off again. So 252 is on the front. I would never get bored of this sound. I don't know what it is about it, but I just like it. I know most transporters don't seem to take any notice of it, but yeah. It's 352.37 on the rear. Jesus. 22117 there. Frightened the life out of me, that did. Okay then, where are you off to? Jeez, the smell from that as well. No, you can smell it, the diesel. How's that going then? Where are you off to? I asked a question, a simple question. Where are you off to? Right, okay, I'm going to refresh real-time train and see if it then tell me, because I don't know where that Voyager's off to. Is it an ECS? Obviously, I couldn't see anyone in there. Well, I was going too fast. It is an ECS movement from Ilford to Barton under Needwood. Okay. Fair enough, yeah. Yeah, well done. Well done me again. I always knew that. I may as well just carry on recording because I'm expecting... Apparently there's 2 Pendolinos to be path coming through at the same time, coming the same way. But this first one is from Glasgow to London. But... yeah, there's a Manchester to London train straight after it. It's also path to come through at 12:08. What is it, 2 Pendolinos gonna, you know, joined up together? I doubt it, but you never know. Here we go. Here she comes. .39141, and there she goes. I'd love to know what they're going to do with that Manchester to London train now, because well, obviously it's either him going to be the next train, or I don't know. Probably will be him being the next train, or he'll come through at the same time as another Pendolino that's coming through bound for Liverpool, I believe it is. Let me just take a look on RTT, which is my best friend today, until it tells me that HST is coming through and it turns out to be a pacer. Yeah, there's a London to Manchester train due to come through at 12:13. Whilst that... okay, so that Glasgow to London one is 3 minutes late. Yeah, so that Glasgow to London one is 3 minutes late. The Manchester to London train is still path to come through right now. And the London to Manchester train obviously path 12:13, which doesn't really affect anything, but yeah, just so you know, you know. Okay. Anything behind me? No. Anything in front of me? No. Okay, so here comes that London to Manchester train with a Pendolino. Nice 2-tone from the driver there, thank you. 39157. 39157 Chadvara. That was a nice 2-tone as well, caught me off guard. I actually wasn't expecting that. I was expecting a Pendolino, but not exactly the 2-tone, because I didn't even wait for it or anything. There's still no sign of that Manchester to London train as well, so I don't know whether or not that's just... it's probably just doing its own thing, isn't it? Because that Glasgow to London train was delayed. That Manchester to London train is supposed to pass by at the same time as that Glasgow to London train, apparently. But now I just don't have a clue what's going on. We'll just have to see what happens, won't we? Yes. Who are you then? City of Preston, 39128. Jeez, all that dust. Oh my god. I think the cook might have gone to sleep or something was in the oven. Because... Jesus, that stinks. Go away, fly. You can even see all the dust. You must be on fire. You are so on fire. Jeez, that absolutely stinks. Looks like he stops now. Oh, he's gone round the corner now, but Jesus Christ. The smell off that. It's gone now, but wow. I don't know if you guys seen all the dust or whatever it had behind it, but that was from London to Liverpool, but it might as well be London to the fire station. Okay, so it looks like 350-120 is now getting ready to depart with the 1220 West Midlands Railway service to Birmingham International. Are they classing it as West Midlands Railway or is it London Northwestern Railway? I'm putting it under the West Midlands Railway. Because it's not going to the northwest and it's not going to London. There's one train going to the northwest, well, north of the border, but in the west. It's going to Glasgow. 39153. Yeah, 39153 to Glasgow. Still no sign of that Manchester to London train. I think it might have just been taken out of service. Just be careful though, you might catch fire if you pass 157 or whatever it was. I got that smell stuck up my nose. There we go, he's turned the signal to red. Jeez, have some speed going around the corner. The tilting on that as well. Okay, so now coming in is the 1224 London Northwestern Railway service to Crewe, coming in from London Euston, of all places. Looks like the front is in new London Northwestern livery. I don't know which one. Is it temporary or is it full? The rear one is London Midland. My money's on it's the full livery, the front. Right I am. Wrong I am. Right I am. Yeah, it is. 35402 leads it in. And the train that will be hanging off the end of the platform will be 350-246, as the full train doesn't fit in the platform. But you could fit more of the train in the platform if the train just moves up the platform a bit. There's nothing stopping you, although the passengers aren't supposed to go up there, but I don't know, move that sign and then let them go up there. Because the platform, well, big enough for about 6 carriages. I'm saying 6, well, 5 or 6 carriages I think, maybe 5.5. That's my prediction. And it feels like straight away he's off again. Looks like the tablet's gone out of focus again. I don't know. I'll just play it on the signal for a minute when... Oh no, that's alright. Where is it? Just slightly out of focus. Not the best thing that can happen, but... Oh well, I can't really... Well, I could stop it, but half the time I just can't be bothered. Anyway. You've told us that about 100 times. And that. You might have told us that as well. I will check. Because... whatever. Quick update about that Manchester to London train, which is still yet to come past. I'm probably not going to be able to film it, as it's only just gone past Adlington. Yeah. It hasn't even passed Crewe yet. Hasn't passed. I don't know if or not it's going past via Crewe or Stoke, because I just couldn't be bothered checking that. Yeah, it hasn't passed. It's just past Adlington, which is up in Cheshire. We're in Rugeley Trent Valley in Staffordshire. I think it's Staffordshire anyway. I don't know. Yeah. So we're not really going to be seeing it, are we? No. Oh well. I might as well just carry on recording, because it looks like we've got a Voyager coming now. There's something coming anyway, I don't know what it is. It's a Voyager. I'm going to stand back. What's this Voyager doing? Avanti West Coast Voyager. There we go. Didn't expect this. Two to 111, I think it was. But I'm not too sure. I'd sort of crouch down just to look at it. Okay, where are you off to? Where are you coming from? Good question. Because I'm pretty sure that I don't have a clue. Wouldn't be 117 again, would it? No. No, it wouldn't. Because it's 111. Where are you off to? Where are you from? Where else are you passing? Why are you over here? Why aren't you over there? Where, who, what, when, where, why, how? If. Which. Why? I already said why, but I don't care. Where? That's from Ilford to Barton and Ewood. But I'm pretty sure the other one that went the other way was also going to the same place. Let's look at that. No. Right. Okay. Alright. Go away. I'll knock you out. Okay? Yeah, I'm a 400 weight... I'm a 400 time world champion at boxing. No, I'm not. Just don't call me out, okay? That was 22117 again. Here's another Pentalina. 390040. Yeah, so that was 22117 again, the Voyager. Okay. That has just thrown me off a cliff. Okay. Good. That was London to Manchester. And this is the sort of time when I want to take the tablet, well, put the tablet on pause before I break my hand. Again, it looks like we're going to go into a two-part that I don't want to go into, but I can't be bothered trying to join up the two videos, okay? So just, it's very unprofessional transporting, yet you're going to get this. Hey. Okay, so this is from London to Chester, 2 Voyagers. Impossible numbers. Two to 113 and 115, like I said, the numbers were always going to happen. Yeah, I was always going to get the numbers, never doubted it in the slightest. Well, the rear one would be easy anyway, because like you had the livery on it, but yeah. Jeez, they're fast as well. Okay, so now coming in is another terminating Class 350 for West Midlands Railway / London Northwestern Railway. This is from Birmingham New Street, and he'll be leaving again in around about 6 minutes after coming in. So after stopping, he'll be waiting 6 minutes. You know, the driver will, you know, reset the master key, the reverser, the throttle, go and do the opposite thing in the opposite cab. Yeah, a bit complicated. It's 352.34. Yeah, I'm guessing this is going into a part 2, because it looks like, well, there is a bit of freight lined up to come through in a few minutes as well. Well, not a few minutes, but you know what I mean. We've got quite a while to wait yet, but I think there is some freight due. But one freight train is not enough for me. I need more. I really should have just taken the opportunity to go to somewhere like Nuneaton or somewhere. Yeah, I'll learn that for next time. Okay, so 352.34 is now getting into the park with the 1246 West Midlands Railway service back to Birmingham New Street. I still don't know where that line goes to behind me. I'll go and have a look at it when I've finished filming. Here comes the Pendolino, Lady Godiva. Yeah, 39039 Lady Godiva. That is London to Manchester, I believe. Manchester, Liverpool or Glasgow? Manchester. Okay. Thank you very much. I'm just going to stand here and wait for part 2 to kick in. It's only going to be a short part 2, I'm guessing, because I'll be getting the 1320 service back to Birmingham New Street, because I'm going to go home that way, because I don't know. Just wait. 3, 2, 1.